Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these original pizza logs, cheese and pepperoni variety. So we've got everything that we need assembled here. It's very simple. Just need your pizza logs, a food thermometer, and some tongs to flip these over. Now we're going to do this in the air fryer today. So first thing you need to do is preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's go ahead and take out our pizza logs. I'm just going to make 2 of these right now. So here's what they look like. We're going to take those out. All right, our air fryer is fully preheated. We're ready to add our food. So we'll just open that up. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop in my pizza rolls. Now we're going to close this up, and I'm going to go ahead and heat this for about 5 minutes and then flip it over. They suggest a total cooking time of 9 to 11 minutes. So we'll see where we're at after we flip them. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip over our pizza logs and just cook them for, we're gonna try another 4 minutes and see what our temperature is looking like. All right, guys, it's been 1 more minute. I'm gonna go ahead and check the temperature on these again. Cool. We have easily reached over 160. All right, guys, here's our completed pizza logs. It took exactly 10 minutes in the air fryer. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.